it rough. You have to put on your foot. There's something out there where you must can do. There's something where you must like. So I don't know what you think about, but as you know, Paul Bogle Junior High, them offer electrical, general construction, housekeeping, plumbing, and a variety of things where you can choose. My punchy, things really rough. I know you know this.
Yes, Daddy, I understand.
And I like more push out there. Me that do the world for you. I'm here, Daddy. And anything me can do for make you happy, me go do it. But just be here with me. You have to help me. You have to help me. So, what you need for the Monday morning, you're going to high school bright and early. Your friend Sandra Lee, you can tell her on the 2 hours go down because she get fair subject them too. And say what you like. And then we take it from there. I want the best to you.
Yes, Daddy, I understand. And me are going to make you proud. Because we know the struggles we got through. And you know, so I like cosmetology. I mean, even me do my hair, you know. I love every bit of it. I mean, even want to have one shop. Because I love Jesus Christ. Well, Daddy, I understand. I know the struggles we go through. I'm going to make you proud. And you know, I love cosmetology. I love the hair. I even the one me that think about to have one shop to do cosmetology, like hair and nails and all of that. So I always think about the hair. And even me do my hair now.
Alright.
So I'm good on it.
Understand.
I'm sure we will come out to something better.
Alright. Over Paul Bogle High School, I said them offer cosmetology along with some other things. I know you do well. I feel like I'm dominated. I believe in you. I have you from your look a baby, from your look a tact. I mean, I give up on you. I just wish me did have more for offer, but as you know. But at the end of the day, just have to push on. You just need to help me. You just need to come on board and play your part. I will support you as much as I can with the look I have, but you just have to help me out. Come on there. Oh, so long we up here. Almost night, you know. So come in. What do I want for dinner though? Yeah, but here we are. Yeah man, so I'm gonna tell them I want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Life is a funny thing. My teacher used to beat something the girls in it. Every day Miss Aggie used to come in and sing, "Girls, when climbing the ladder of success, don't let a guy look under your dress, because he will say it looks fine, but in 9 months' time it's not mine."
No, Daddy,
You laugh. You could take it as a joke. But remember, me and your father, I want the best for you. And that's why me I say it. You might see it as a joke, but take it very seriously. You have some youth, them cunning. Them are going to tell you the world when them want to look at something there. And them are going to say the use you. Them give you everything. Just that one moment there. And you see the moment them let go that look at Joes there. I hit that. You know, hear back from them. You know, see them and just disappear. You wonder if it's a ghost. Be careful.
Yes, Daddy.
Be warned.
Yes, Daddy. But I'm not really interested in a no boy. I only focus on my cosmetology and a school I'm interested in. And to have my own shop and make you proud. That's all.
Tosh, I'm going to tell you. Nothing wrong if you see one local guy where you like. Because you're a girl. You're a girl and them say opposite attracts. And that's why you have the magnet attract to steal and them local thing there. So you're going to see one local man where you like. A man I go see a local girl and like, that's natural. You see me? The problem with me to have is if you see one girl and like one girl, that's a no-no. Not in a marriage you.
No, Daddy, I'm not depending something there. Girls to girls. No,
so funny. You laugh. You laugh. A serious thing. And the reason I tell you this is because I whole heap of distraction there road. We need it to understand life. Life is not easy better roads as how you see it. You need to understand, say, yo, what I mean, the world today is crazy. I mean, I got there 24/7 if you can guide you. Yes, I'm a phone call away. But at the same time, you must think about that at the time. So what more you do, more you be able to think and think very swiftly. Understand? Don't make nobody trick you, don't make nobody use you.
Yes, darling.
If you see one way you like, you search him out, and then you can decide from there. You can come and talk to me. I'm here for you. Some people fear to talk to them about sex and all them things. I'm not going to hide nothing from you. Them tell them so they drop out of sky and all them foolish. So that's why I pick them hide and do it. Instead of play hide and seek and them things. But you're grown. You have life. Anyways, I get something to catch up my stomach. So if you want to eat food in the kitchen.
Alright.
Tasha! 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 Where going?
Nothing.
You know, it's around the corner, I see you doing something, just compel me for call you. What's up?
I'm here.
You have to tell me, sir, Natasha. What's up?
Say Natasha, my name. Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. You know, I must have got it confused. So, you know, can I get to know you? Tasha! 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 Tasha!
Oh.
Hey, what's up? I thought that was you. Hi.
I'm Natasha, my name. Sasha.
Oh, I'm sorry, I must have got it confused. You know? Yeah, I saw you walking down there and I was compelled to come speak to you. Can I get your number?
Yeah. I don't know you. Who are you?
You don't remember me?
No.
I'm Epic. Nice to meet you.
From?
You really don't remember me?
I can't.
You don't remember me? I'm Epic. We go to the same registration. Remember we were registering, you were registering for cosmetology, I think, and I was doing barbering. You don't remember me? Epic?
No, I can't recall. No, I can't remember you.
Well, that's fine, you know, but still, I was admiring you from the other day and I was just wondering if I could get to know you some more.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from around the area, I live around here. You know, every day I saw you and I just was compelled to come speak to you right now, so
Okay.
I wanted to try my luck. Could I get your number?
Maybe next time when we book up. Maybe next time me give you it. Alright?
But we're booking up now and like this is the next time. I just never said anything the first time.
Alright, may I give me number. They can't call me certain time. After 8 is a no-no.
That's okay.
They get me right name, Sasha.
Alright, it was nice speaking to you.
What's up?
Different level, you know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell you, dog, from what day, I try to tell you, say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So I say, dog, yeah, man, because I don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a f***ry dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
Yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year, you see what I say?
You see that funny black man? What's me to my
Well, I
face
don't
up?
even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember what I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, yeah, who they call? Ken? You're rich man. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Man.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No
Up
joke.
top, you see me?
You know what's going on?
You know you're in your teeth, so.
Yeah, do me happy to see you, Grandma.
Okay, come in, man. Put on your toothpaste. If you sit down and talk.
Ay,
You can sit to me?
Yes. Mommy sent something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
know,
Yeah.
her face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and me welcome you, but as you see time kind of stiff and the little work they want me to do, the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam 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 every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and staying here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
You know, mommy not no money and you send me down here so if we go and look and work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for my work and me can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you. But I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And I have the little bit them money what they give me, but I have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. I don't try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give, and me can tell you that. So as long as you obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and not go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you
behave
get
myself,
along.
Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church. You
Grandma,
know.
me will behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out your house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know say when they see you alone there, then go there fishing, and me gate. And I don't want nobody and me gate there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from me gate, because I know they have a shot, they were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you
Grandma.
from this first day you come.
No,
so you
Grandma,
can't say
you
me
know,
no warn you.
I have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them listening on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But anyway, you come down and breathe.
Why you talk so, Grandma?
You go see, because I don't know how you
Don't
manage
like that,
because
Grandma. You know if you say them sitting there, Grandma. If you think
because you can't
positive.
take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself and on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them a hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need they see up there so come in and now which part of the son will live. Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so me
Grandma.
will show you your room and where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
I can't get a game off like I look bad.
We just wait, me soon get her, just wait when we pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is stay.
Miss Ponce.
you reach?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. I wish part did you see again?
No St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, see, I be a chopper man up there door.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. I just go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. Be miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to me, come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah!
Hold on the girl. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man, alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Ponce. You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me do and talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the actor?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, so.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, we do that one see how pass a while ago.
Yeah, don't listen, they look for me.
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left now. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish we could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go a number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get the number.
Tell them. Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to a man.
What?
What I really talk to a man. See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright? What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you already talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do him?
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You
Stick
have
up
to know.
in. Few time no commit. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What are you going to so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, oh, your reason, he not tell you nothing. Oh, you come down here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. You say to go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what happened to me dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Her mama come send her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage, but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try no come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh. The little crab was boy about him come and me gate. Tell him where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the legal list arrive and it start already. It start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop now. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down from?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsy. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsy, nobody knows why.
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsy. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsy. So make you flip and go.
Just start we are talking now. Just start.
And for you go there left the door and say nobody name so and walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other end because when they see you then go and give you a nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breathe me through your gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I made it there gate.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go, not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she made her going to me. She a kill up herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So, basically we can link up on night time.
Why? So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later. Yeah.
Babes, you hear me, I say?
Alright.
You listen to me?
Yeah, I listen to you. What you say?
A 3 year now with them, me ever give a reason. They say, yeah, me a cheat by you or something wrong. Or me have an ex-girl out the road. Me not take care of you, make sure you say alright.
Yeah.
So why you don't want to come live with me? You not comfortable with me? Babe, me not depend on the pitney thing. I want a comfortable life. I'm ready to settle down. I not depend on the cheating and go running and play business. You see me I say? I have your own and I can protect you, make sure you say alright and everything good.
And I say I don't want to live with you and start the whole family and thing, right? But if I look into it, 3 years not long. You understand? And a previous relationship, them, my Russian never work. And I really, really like you. You understand?
But everybody are not the same.
Yeah, but this one, I want it to be perfect. Like, they said nothing is perfect, but this one, I put my all in for this one.
And I do also.
And then the apartment I rent, it closer to my job and it easier to go there.
Well, I will pay taxi time for you to take it to work.
Christina, look how man take care of you and spend money on you and everything. I'll get you now a nice place I work one thing. And I pay rent for your girl and thing. And yeah, go on like you know, want to run some my book. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. No matter what, put off online and you link them right now. Come out of here. Because me I don't come back. I don't even pay rent. Go on like like and I want to run the club.
Just sit with me. Just sit with me this once.
Well, alright. I'll give you some time. Just think about it and make sure that everything works out well. Because right now, I'm tired of living alone. I go to work and come in, I have to cook for myself. I don't have nobody there. Night time, I'm boring. Tired of you talk to you on the phone. I need comfort.
I understand.
Okay. So, well, hold on. Hello? Huh? Alright, may I come?
Now what happened?
May I come? Be, may I have to cut me.
Now what happened?
Well, that's something I have to deal with up a yard. I have to deal with it now. Something I have to go up a yard and deal with. I have to cut.
You sure?
Yeah, I have to leave. I call you.
Okay.
I make you know say everything alright. Alright, later.
Love you.
Love you too.
January star. It's like everyone me go pay bad luck. January star. It's like everyone me go pay crosses. My bad luck. Pay bad luck follow me. Now this a boss say I can't go like say my body and my Jaja.
A long time I see this girl now. I'll call her.
How that?
Hey landlord. I money me come find a man.
Greg, just give me a little more time, my youth. You just have to understand how things are run with me now.
Every week me come check if you earn money, you give me your girl on. I mean I'm begging no front in a girl.
Why you just have to understand my situation?
I want to this money man.
Just give me a little more time. All me I beg you a little more time.
Let me tell you this man. I no pick up money and build me house, you know.
Ma, you just easy.
Someone is
Understand my situation now.
You say me come back in the next couple of days. I'm gonna get my money. Now put you out, yeah? I'm a done chat. Done chat, man. Chop.
Nice. Yeah, as usual. Call again.
Everyone is ton of stress, yo, like, me don't know, yo. How would they call me?
She called back.
Akim this Rapaluna.
What one girl?
Ages me here from you, my friend. I'm landlord, so give me some problem, so come get for me to call.
Oh. We just did a call because a long time I don't hear from you and sitting so. Oh, okay. So we can link up today or something. Oh, okay. You know which one I live though? Okay. Here, when you reach a serve, you let me know. Let me direct you after. Alright? Alright, no problem. From the hotel girl, you just left the hotel work. I don't hear nothing from you. I call you till a week, you just ghost by me. What really did happen?
Girl, she ain't even know what go on.
Talk to me.
Be things that go on, me depressed and things like that. Me have family, nor nobody. Me just dip on my own.
Really?
Yeah, and things like that. Me just dip on my own. Then I get my second job and things even now run right there. So me just have to let the job again.
So, what you mean by your family and have your family? Like, what happened to you and your family? So, none of them can help, not even one cousin, auntie, nothing?
I don't even know where to start from. Because right now, my rent due, bills to pay, and it's like, I don't know where money will come from. And right now, it's like I don't have no family. I tell you the last thing, but one of my aunties said to me the other day, you wouldn't even believe.
I could have what your auntie said to you, so that's...
She said, only thing what I heard when me dead, what I heard them when me dead, is money what they must spend for my funeral.
Why, Christine? Rough on you. But you just tell me a while ago, me didn't even want help. Me wouldn't even help. Wouldn't want them help me. Not even spend $100 for help me.
Girl, if she didn't even know me glad when me see her call me. I rent is not true.
Yeah.
But I love if we could have moved in with you, go and pay a little rent, help you pay a little bills, till me get one of that work. Like, me easy to live with you know. I will live with you and not even know I'm there. Me help you cook and me help you clean.
Alright.
I just want you to help me out as a friend. And I for no long time, you know. I don't have nobody else. I just you alone me have. And you alone me can depend on right now. Believe me.
Alright, me will help you. But here's what we are going to do now. I want you to look after your resume application at ASAP because I dip on the road every day. So I could have just drop off it for you. I know you as a girl with multitask, right? So just look after them something and I'm good to go. Try to get one job quick and fast. So when you plan to come in?
Well, you know, say my things them they're on there already. May I go for them?
So this a girl didn't know something else say yes or something. She come prepared. Come in. Then they expect nobody in today. Still. Oh God. You mean to tell me, say, you not have not even one little spooky, one little boyfriend or nothing we can help you out?
Why, Kim, if me tell you how long me single right now, you wouldn't believe it. Me single 2 years and odd now. And times like these, you can't only find one good man. And some of them are man a girl, some of them just dirty, some of them just want like anything they see they run towards. I could tell you when buck about one good man.
Me realize still, but and every man stays so still. You understand? But come to think about it, 2 years in our relationship for girl. So we don't want you to touch up on things. The other part they go.
Kim, right now, sexually is my problem. When look feeding come out, me just going like a cold water and then I mean that, so I'm gonna sleep. Right now, I not worth it for me run down sex because I pay this easy white place right now. So, and worse how me have so much I think about and so much to put together, sex not relevant right now.
So not even one bullet you don't have, girl. But anyways, over the side kitchen and over that the side there bathroom, you can catch right beside of me. So yeah, that's about it. If there's anything else I need to make you know, we will make you know.
Well, I really appreciate this now because family, I don't have no family that do this for me. Furthermore, I don't have no family at all. So I really appreciate what you do for me.
That's good, man.
I want to say something at work. Like, you can't find one good movie.
Yeah, look for.
Like Jamaican movie, like one Richard Bromfield movie.
Oh, but anyway, you take him still have to go show you how to work the remote in case I'm not there.
Yeah.
her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just ring sitting in, yo, you make man a pre some way in hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, man, yo. I say all the while I do this thing, big man, I pretty certain way right now. Because I tell you the truth, you know. I know say, yo, man, I'm rich, you know, brethren, as a man, you know. I don't have no money, you know. Also, I try, also my thing, you know. Alright, now I make man pre some way, you know. To do all some things.
Yes, sir, I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move, you behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
I don't even know say me man go empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know. As a virgin, you know. I sound like somebody else. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah man, me there man, come on peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big man.
Yeah, go on so you know it.
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
you
man, if you just go on where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, why pray?
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say you 50 grand no more.
Wait. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long more they have to spend in a prison same way for this. You have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, you know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
Right. I'll go for your stuff. Don't. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and if he come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be here, say I mash up down so you know, dog. Yeah, man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy, and police boy, they want her for dog. She a mash up the place, you know, dog. Yeah, man. Right now, dog, I'm not going to want but that girl in my place, you know, dog. I make it dog there, know a thing going on, brother. Because God know, you know, brother, the woman is normal, you know, dog, I tell you, you know. And she a mash up the whole over, so, you know, brother, you know, I look at she.
Yeah, I go an idea and I place that. John, no star. I can go on for me an idea. Lighter, yeah. Biscuit sweet there. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah. Yeah. If I come like say what I'm sardine and God, I will see it on so I jack long I walk. Yeah, man, everything look like man can chop a food. Yeah, okay.
I go and Kevin, you look like you're happy. How you here about?
You know, there, man. There, I go and hold it, you know.
Come like I get some money, man, or something.
No, sir, you know, say, And I really not like that. But don't know say I bring in one little gift for me in the morning, you know. So I feel good, you see me? Yeah man, I buy a decent fridge come drop in the house there.
Wow, things are going.
I will tell you, cold water can't drink and no. I will tell you. I say I heard
Anyway,
man, I say things set, you know.
Pepsi more, you know.
Yes, hot or cold?
Come on, cold one.
Alright. So I go on.
How much is the feet again?
150.
$100 me have, you know.
150 for Joe 7 on my friend. John, why not? So me I deal with. You want me, I know. I really want you take care of the habit and you trust him for early morning, you know, you don't know I ducks no broke yet, you see me?
Alright, sorry about that still.
Yeah, I see alright.
Alright, let me come back with some money, man.
Alright.
Just send it on.
Alright. You tell your boy, you come back with money, you come over a fool, you take man for. They were sitting on the door all the while, I come short man money, I come talk about you come over. I come take man to idiot. I go on, you know, my dog.
Bad man want to say, be a police dog, they say no bad boy.
Eh?
Tell the dog. Come like at the whole upper station up there, say, brother. At first, I see too much police in my place, bad boy. Come like something going up there, say, bad man. Shot fire? You ain't shot about the place?
You know shot fire up the road.
Bad man, right now, I'm going easy back right there, say, because I now go to the make them board and all and pull me, you know. See here. Once I get all the new work right now, you know, I don't need no police, bad boy.
Don't worry, man. Yo, just go and block Cessa, man. Everything good, man. Yo, I just go to the career up the road, them go and check some man up the road, you see me? Yeah, man, them soon clear off up them, man. Don't worry about them, man. Just go and hold the order, brother. You see me? So you say I go on now? I see you up on a new work.
Until you say out from the hotel, I get a piece of work there, my brother, and things are going good, still in a bad man. You see a piece of hustling can go on in a, you see? Yeah man, people them love off the weed up there, especially the white boy them in the dog. Swear you a piece of food can make right now is a link more right now I can get eat some weed regular, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now I did it so the thing take off my G.
Yes brother man. Then yo, you don't know say right now you link the right as a G. A right place to come, you know.
So yeah, say brother?
Yeah man, a right place to come G man. A right place to come right now you link their foot. Any month you want, any kind you want.
You have a link? What kind, yo, how the price and steak? Right now I want a good £1.5 or so for bring in the brother.
Oh yeah, say man, right now we have a lemon kush, we have a pineapple kush, we have a regular herb same way. We have all of them on different levels, you see it. But here why I pray now in general, me have to go make a link, you see me, towards the pricing of rare and to get in the amount where you want, because you know really they are foot so like that, you see me.
Yo, yeah. You know say the lemon kush me the board them at talk about when I hotel the brother. Around when we could have come pick up back that?
Yo, you could have get piece, you know. Yeah man, you can get piece by a little more.
£1.5, how much you know?
You want no, £1.5, it will run out about £250,000.
Alright then.
£1.5.
Simple match that man, you can make back that man.
By 5 o'clock.
Alright.
Just come check me by 5 o'clock. I make a phone call right now and make a dog jacket on my foot here.
Alright then, it's a couple hours from now.
By 5 o'clock man, that's at least.
Yo, cuz.
That's guidance and protection. I right place, G.
Alright. You see how old man, you know say I'm a general.
Yo. How you have come man, remember say boy then you out there, you know man. But I go too fast, brother. Go and humble man.
Yo. Nah. Look at them gun man. Look at them cut man. I go for that thing there, you see me?
Alright.
Go for a piece of brick and come back. Remember you say 5 o'clock.
Yeah man, by 5 o'clock man, how are you man?
See how
old? By 5 o'clock me J man.
Oh, hello. I didn't realize someone was around there.
Yeah man, I'm there man.
Can you sell me a bottle of water?
Yes, hot or cold?
Room temperature.
Room temperature. Miss, you're not from around here?
I'm actually from around here, but I flew out when I was like 8. So, I'm just coming back. But I like your shirt. Are you from around here?
Yeah man, thank you. Yeah, I'm from here now. Right here, right over there somewhere live. Yeah man, we just operate in the shop, so you know. Yeah man.
Oh, so you managed to all this by yourself? Like, don't you have a girlfriend or someone that helps you with all this? Because this look like a lot of work.
Yeah man, me have a girlfriend man. And me I tell her say, as I mentioned girlfriend, me I tell her right now, I don't know what would I do without her. Yeah, because me I tell her say, right now she mean real to me, my friend. Yeah man. But you want now, you see shop partner really hard for run. Yeah, that partner really hard for run. We just buy the stock of we buy and put in back of we put in. And you know what I mean? Make sure so we don't dash a little profit, you know? Yeah man.
So, like, I really love and care for your girlfriend. Oh, right over this is you live, right?
Yeah man.
So, y'all don't live because I don't really see nobody come down here.
Yeah man, you know my girlfriend don't really live here. No, she just come and go. You know what I mean? But you don't know she there most of the times. But based on work, you know? Yeah, she have to dip on the outskirts.
So when she gone, you know, me sorry, you know, feel lonely. Like, the house not lonely, you know, and like a company.
Yeah man, you don't know saying as man little feelings have to take away and all them things, you know, but you want now. When time I feel them feelings, I just video call her or I text her, you know. And so we just link one that see me. You understand? Yeah man, and just make everything run normal. So anyway, I never get your name, miss.
Oh, sorry, my bad. My name is Tina. But I didn't get yours either. What's yours?
Yeah, Kevin my name man, Kevin. Or you can just call me Kev. So anyway, Miss Tina, you want anything more in our shop? Is anything more there what you want?
Mr. Kev, if I tell you what I want, it wouldn't be nice because from what you're saying, it looks like somebody have it locked already, or should I say under control.
Well, you know, say, me I try get, you know, say me I try understand. Me not really understand what you say. Serious for me.
Well, let me give you my glasses because clearly you can't see what I'm trying to say here. Kev, is it Kev, right?
Right.
Kev, from coming here, I can't stop but admire you. And was that a string of it? Or you me want?
Alright, I tell you, Tina. Tina, you see them was right? You know, Tina, me I tell you, so no, you're nice and all that. There's no disrespect to you. Yeah, because you're looking awesome, but yeah, I have my girlfriend. And I tell you the truth, I don't really have a disrespect her, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Kev, I heard you loud and clear. But in case a girlfriend forgot what she has, then, you know, I'm here. But I can assure you, this won't be the last time you see me. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy. Look at me, I'm going to talk about girlfriend. Girlfriend or not, me, I forget the boy.
Oh, my phone. That's my phone, man. I want to let me left your yard, man. Okay, you know, so now I forgot for you. Oh, yeah, something left it. Ah, tidal. Bomba. That's one time I'm gonna call her, man. But I have to hurry up and call her back right now. Nah, man, I left the phone over the yard, yeah. Out of the shop, me reach and by me reach out there, me did a little time, I realize I don't see the phone, so I start look now, and me look over the whole place and I never see it. So me just say, I take time and walk, come over here, come look where I go on if over here, I left it. So when I see them, I call them, and that's why I say I have to shout you back. Yeah? Nah, man, me wish woman. Nah, be man, no bother with them things, man. No bother with them things, man. Which woman you talk about, man? I tell you, say over the shop, I walk go. Woman over there. Say, me there woman over there. Yo, no bother with them foolishness, man. No bother with them things, man. And then sit down, I can't deal with the thing, you know. Yeah. Nah, man, no bother with them things, man. You see why you push off for me, you know. Over foolishness. I tell you, say, I left the phone over here, there. Eh. Yo, you want now, No bother with them things, man. A joke thing you depend, you know, man. Because right now my head kind of hard for a morning thing, you know. You come with them advisor for me, you know. A different thing you depend. I don't really depend on vibes, you know. Hello? Hello? So I wish you to hang up for me. So all them are sitting here, you know, me, I tell you, you know. All them are sitting here, you know, me, I tell you, you know. You see all them are vibe, you know. My friend, you could have killed me.
You know, I don't know what come over me a while ago, but what happened a while ago definitely wasn't me. So, I think we should like forget about that and let's have a drink.
Listen, I must have to tell you the honest truth, I don't really drink.
Really? Like, come on. I never come good a while ago and right now I feel as if I come back now I can get like a next chance. You give a next impression. I just want to drink. Have you say you're in a good mood, so just take a drink. I just want to drink. Come on. I try to redeem myself from whatever I just say a while ago. I just one drink now kill you.
Yeah, you can't have a one drink still, yeah? You can't have a one drink. I know him feel too hot still for real, so that would have can't help to cool me off.
Yay, that is great. I don't know what you guys drink, but ooh, I see tequila. Give me some of the tequila.
So you say I chase it with an miss?
Nope, on the rocks.
Rocks, alright. Why may I tell you some friend? Trust me, I'm glad you kinda come down on a level, you know. Because boy, I told you come in for me not too long, I swear say. I get timid.
You know what I'm saying? I down there and I was like, he must have wonder how just come on upon him so.
Yeah, I'm serious say you up to something.
That's not me. If you will go to somebody and tell somebody, say, me come down here and talk like that or act like that, straight, then when I tell you to stay alive because that's just a God. That's literally not me.
Yeah, but I have to know, say, you know, change up the vibe and thing because right now, I tell you the truth, I have one woman there and she is not too good, so I can't take her no problem, you understand? My woman nice, you know. Best, but yes, when it comes down to the woman part, I cheap out. Yes, I'm not really run and joke there. You understand? Yeah. So I say you go on, Miss Tina. But you go hard, man. You can't make a show me up, so man. Then I have to take one shot, to man. But you go hard, man. I cannot take a shot. cut your door, you know. But as I mentioned, high school. But they ever tell you say you look really, really young.
Yeah. Hear that all the time, but don't interrupt me. As I was saying.
Alright, sorry.
Exam and go drink, like with smoke, with drinks. You know this I go on from a long time. Now I'm gonna drink and talk about boys. And up to today day, everybody feels so we're seeing. Like nobody at all. I mean like literally nobody found out about anything.
Yeah man, watch out now, I give all our next instance though. You know say I go to school in a year what we do. Save up a lunch money, you know. And decide say, you know, so we not go to school today. So here we buy the entire Appleton, a big buckle them. Yeah man, we buy one big buckle of Appleton, you know, one big buckle of Pepsi, you know. Yeah man, I tell you so what, we turn around a yard back, you know, and say I drinking for the day, you know. Half day we do around there, you know, every man junk, you know. We live across the road and I can't go over my yard, you know, not even my bicycle or my ride come over there, I couldn't take up, you know. Yeah man, and I saw my granny come catch me over there, you know. Junk like a bat, pay bad with me, of course. Take me up and carry me go over yard, what lick me get. I tell my friend I'm not normal. I get licks until I wake. From that day I never junk again. God know. But we got to it man. Well, my friend, you see, you come in and say one, and I end up say one drink, and see it there, and one drink left in there, you know.
I tell you, so sometimes fly when we have fun. But we can't share that, because I want drink, right? So yeah, we can share that, but one tracer this time.
I use it on the rocks, so right, like it I get to you now. Alright, my friend, don't worry yourself. What you say? What kind of cheese you want?
Orange juice. Come like this, I'm gonna bother with steel. Could you want to drink, all the time I can't go wash home. No, sir.
Christina, you want now, you know someone go hold a quick leak and come back.
Pour the juice before you leave.
Alright. That's alright?
Yeah.
Here you go. Soon come back. Yeah? Yeah.
So?
I'm feeling relieved.
I saw your blood along.
Yeah,
you know
man.
how long you gone?
It's not really long, you know. But you have now, you know, so we have to leave for there and drink, you know. So.
Drink your one juice, man. I'll hurry up.
It's different. Jano. Yeah, it's no. Mr. Afi so good. I don't want me drinking ice and me feel. I feel someone me feel weak and free. Yo, you know, Girl, how you put in a drink, give me? Eh? How you put... Help! Somebody help me! Help!
No, you're still alright.
So my girl, what you do to me? Just, what me do here now? So my girl, what you do this
Shut
for?
up, man.
Eh? You mean, what you do this for? Money you want or what? Eh?
Shush.
Stop
it. Chat.
Yo, if I'm money you want, just tell me, make me give you no man. You don't have to do me so. Eh?
Yeah. You're supposed to come home for half an hour. Tie you up. No, full time. No, damn good.
Which part? Where me there?
If you try to escape, no one will see you. If you try to scream, no one will hear you. If you escape, there will be serious consequence. Okay?
How me there, you know, my girl? My girl, you don't know who you are dealing with, you know? You don't know who you are dealing with, you know? Yo, as a matter of fact, you hear all the bike them out there saying that me trying to far me there from the road, you know? You better you take off all them off of me right now, you know? Go on about my business, you know? Because right now, you know, I'm getting mad in here, you know? Yo, my girl, you make me get mad in here, you know?
Then, brother, you're mad in a guan. You want to go anywhere you want to go, you're guan. Can come like something wrong with you? You can't see. You're blind? Look what I'm fright for. You know what man would I want me right now? And you are going like you're idiot. From a come here, you're going like you're idiot, like you don't want nobody, but I have a girlfriend, bro. Shut up. Plus, you have a lot of words to your man will get tied up by a girl.
My girl, me I tell you, you know, what you do with no hurty, you know. So me I do what you do no hurty right now, you know, foolishness you do, you know. So we say when you have me tell a person, nobody now come look for me. What you feel like, say, me not know one. Eh? But if I'm police, they must have come look for me, you know, somebody must have come look for me, so you must know what you deal with. Yo, if I know money thing, man, yo, what you do? Just tell me what I go and tell me what I do, make me do it. If I'm money you want, girl, just tell me you want me give you no man.
Bro, you're not understand, No money at all. Like, this is a word there. What should I say? Help me. Brother,
It's like you don't understand. Are you me want? But everything I got alright. You see, whenever I did that play stubborn, in the first place, more than having a ropes. All of this are because I did that play stubborn. But don't worry. I have nothing for about. But most of all, you soon understand what we have when all of this over here. But most of all, we are good there.
My girl, you don't say you need help. Eh? You say something wrong with you. Eh? Imagine you have me as a tire, but you have me as a tire for. You know, so I tell you to from you coming and shop the first time, I kind of see say something wrong with you. Yeah, man, God know me not trust you from the first time you come in and shop, you know. Yo, you better let me go, you know. Just pull up your rope and let me go. You hear? I come like something wrong. You say you want to go to a doctor. You say something there.
Shut up!
What you mean for shut up?
What me say? Shut up!
Yo, you say you're getting crazy. You say you're crazy. Yo, you're a mad woman, you know.
You know, hear me say shut up. But one go doctor. One go doctor way. Look how me a treat a good and you come talk about one go doctor. And then say I'm get cross, you know, man. Don't, you better shut up and me have to deal with it and come deal with the rest.
That's right now. I just show me tie up, make you can't tell me them I sitting there.
Tell me 5 o'clock. Dog, let me place. Tell me 5 o'clock. It's a far back 5 o'clock and him lock up. What the dog got, man? One left him there. The door open. Must have girl him hungry. Hello, mommy. General sit over there?
No, you know, going up on the road, you know, saying going to make stock, you understand? So, you know, come up about 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave a message or something?
I know, say that little thing me and him for deal it still. I don't know if him tell you nothing still, but me for circling back from 5 o'clock, you see me?
No, sir, I never said nothing to me.
Alright, you know, 5 o'clock gone, I'm going to say shop open, so I wonder him so forward back.
No, sir, I come back about 2 to 3 hours. Just have to lock up the place, you understand?
Alright, then make a dog know some me circle, right?
Alright, we make him know what I want.
Make some link with some man in the dog. It's like a joke thing that it's more a lame up man thing, brother. Me forget. Wait. I'm gonna see her. I'm gonna come and shop today, yo. Mama. Look at it. Slimmers, now you see her come from my shop today?
Yeah, what happened? Who you?
You know, say I come from my shop today. I see you earlier. I say, yo, I see if I try to find out if I have a link to the shopkeeper. I'm say, circling back, I'm going up there and the shop locked. I say, I want one kitty up there and I know, she tell me say I'm not dead. And she lock up the place and then if I told me dress her how me look still, you see me, but when I trust her style, I feel like judge she try to judge me. I want to know if you have a link to him. Right now, me and him have some serious business and it's urgent. So that me want to know if you have a link to him.
No, sir, I don't have no link for him. But I'm a G. But I don't know if I have no woman up there. But I'm going to pass up this to you.
Alright, so thanks, yeah, mama. Thanks. Yo, dog. General, I know some just come up by shop and the shop lock, brother. Which part you there? Up at your yard.
I phone that pan. Give me that.
Hello? Hello? Phone cut off. Call him back.